Do you know the alarming signs of diabetes foot complications? It's essential to catch these symptoms early on to prevent severe conditions down the line. This topic is of great significance, especially for those living with diabetes. We'll be discussing 7 telltale signs that could indicate something is awry with your feet, signs that should never be ignored. So, let's get ready to equip ourselves with this vital knowledge. Stay tuned as we delve into these signs one by one. The first sign to watch out for is numbness in the feet. This happens when elevated blood sugar levels associated with diabetes damage nerves over time, a condition known as diabetic neuropathy. As these nerves deteriorate, they stop sending signals, which leads to loss of feeling or numbness. The second sign is a tingling sensation in your feet. This is often described as pins and needles, or a prickling feeling. It's another result of nerve damage, and it's your body's way of telling you that something's not quite right. Lastly, we have changes in foot shape. This isn't as obvious a sign as the first two, but it's equally important. Persistent high blood sugar can lead to changes in muscle and bone structure. Over time, this may cause your feet to shift shape, which can lead to sores and ulcers if not properly managed. These are just the first 3 signs. Let's continue to the next ones. The fourth sign of diabetes foot complications is dry and cracked skin. It might seem like a simple case of neglecting foot care, but in reality, it's a red flag for high blood sugar levels. When your body struggles to utilize glucose, it turns to burning fat for energy, leading to dehydration. This internal dryness often manifests as rough, flaky skin on your feet, prone to painful cracking. Moving on, the 5th sign we're looking at is the presence of calluses. These thick patches of skin are the body's defense against pressure or friction. But why are they related to diabetes, you ask? Well, high glucose levels can cause nerve damage, altering your normal gait and putting unusual pressure on certain parts of your feet. As a result, calluses may form more frequently and in unexpected places. Recognizing these signs can be a lifesaver. Now let's move on to the last 2 signs. The 6th sign to look out for is foot ulcers. These nasty nuisances can often go unnoticed because of the numbness in your feet. High sugar levels in the blood can damage your nerves, leading to a loss of sensation, which further results in unnoticed wounds or sores. And when these wounds go untreated, they can develop into ulcers. Now, let's move to the 7th sign, poor circulation. Diabetes can affect blood flow, making it harder for blood to reach your feet and for wounds to heal. Reduced blood flow can also lead to pain and discomfort in your legs, especially when you're active. So, if you find that your feet are always cold, or your cuts and sores are taking longer to heal, it might be a sign of poor circulation. These are all the signs, but what does it mean if you have them? Stay tuned and we'll dive deeper into the implications in the next scene. In summary, the 7 signs of diabetes foot complications are numbness, tingling, pain, changes in skin color, temperature changes, foot ulcers, and slow healing. Each of these symptoms can indicate a serious issue, underlying the importance of early detection and prompt treatment. Ignoring these signs can lead to severe complications, even amputation. So if you or someone you know experiences any of these symptoms, don't delay. Remember, early detection is crucial. If you notice these signs, seek medical attention immediately.